Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're working with SharePoint in 2025 and finding it tricky to open files directly in your desktop apps like Word or Excel, you're in the right place. This quick tutorial will walk you through the steps to make it seamless and efficient, saving you valuable time. First things first, ensure you're signed into your Microsoft account. Head over to office.com and log in. That's your gateway to SharePoint. Once logged in, navigate to the SharePoint site where your file is stored. It could be in a document library, a team site, or even a shared folder. Now, locate the specific file you want to open. Hover over it and click the three dots that appear next to the file name. From the drop-down menu, look for the Open in App option. In 2025, Microsoft has made this even smoother with faster loading times and better integration. Select it, and your desktop app should launch automatically. If you don't see Open in App, don't worry. Right-click the file instead and choose Open with Explorer, or directly select the app from the list. This works great for Office files. Before you do this, make sure your Office applications are up to date. Open any Office app, go to File, Account, and check for updates. It's crucial for compatibility in 2025's enhanced features. One common hiccup is permission issues. If the file won't open, double-check your access rights in SharePoint settings. You might need to request access or adjust sharing options. And there you have it. Your SharePoint files are now just a click away from your desktop apps. This method not only boosts productivity but also keeps everything synced in real time. Try it out today and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues or have tips to share. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful tech guides. See you next time.